Animal communication is the passage of information of two animals. The animal which sends is called signaler, and the animal receives signal is called receiver. Animal communication is known as biological communication. The study of animal communication is called zoosemiotics. The classical ethological view of communication was developed by Nico Tinbergen. Communication, when we're talking about animal behavior, can be any process where information is passed from one animal to another, causing a change or response in the receiving animal. Well, animal sensory system vary quite a great deal. For instance, a dog's sense of smell is 40 times more acute than ours. Because of the sensory diversity, different animals communicate using a wide range of stimuli known collectively as signals. Animals may not be able to speak in master language techniques, but they're certainly able to communicate with one another. Their survival depends on it. Animals generally communicate using four methods. First, visual, second, auditory, third, tactile, and the last is chemical. Some species rely more on one form of communication over another. However, they all use methods to show affection. Animals communicate with each other in many different ways. They use body language, sound, smell, touch, and even chemical and electrical communication. In fact, animals are far superior to humans in many of their communication methods. Animals communicate with each other in many different ways. They use body language, sound, smell, touch, and even chemical and electrical communication. In fact, animals are far superior to humans in many of their communication methods. Animal communication is the transfer of information from one or a group of animals that affects the current or future behavior of the receivers. Information may be sent intentionally, as in a courtship display. Animal communication is a rapidly growing area of study in disciplines including animal behavior, sociology, neurology, and animal cognition. Many aspects of animal behavior such as symbolic use, emotional expression, learning, and sexual behavior are being understood in new ways. When the information from the sender changes the behavior of the receiver, the information is referred to as a signal. Signaling theory predicts that for a signal to be maintained in the population, both the sender and the receiver should usefully receive some benefits from the interaction.